going to give you a quick tour of this beautiful garden wing room.
As soon as you walk in, there is this wonderful closet. This is where we keep our super suits. This is mine, of course. It comes with extra pillows, a blow dryer, and a handheld steamer. You have lots of hangers, 3 doors. Pretty decent size, you know, for your underclothes and socks and stuff like that. Shorts, whatever. If you want, you can lay your suitcase on top, or you can close this up and set your luggage here. Right behind the closet on the opposite side is the bathroom. Look at this. Let me turn the light on for you. As soon as you walk in, you have a his and her sink, H2O products, the makeup mirror, and then it comes with some Kleenex. Under here we have our waste basket, extra towels, and some hand towels. Then I want to show you guys this really nice shower. Look at this. Glass shower doors. This is a pretty big shower. I could boogie in the shower. Boom. There's a removable shower head. It comes with the rain shower head up here. We got some H2O products over here. We got the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Right outside the shower, we have 2 towel hooks. Thank goodness they give you a door. So if someone is showering or brushing their teeth and someone needs to use the bathroom, you have a door and privacy. Yay. So you open it up. Inside of here is just an extra waste basket, some toilet tissue, and then there's a cool picture of a bunch of Jack Jacks. This is the bathroom door. As you see, it just slides over, so it's like a barn style because it slides. Next to the closet, across from the bathroom, is another little closet. This has 3 different shelves where you can put your clothing and another dresser. Plenty of space to put all your belongings, and then the safe. And then it comes with a full-length mirror. We have a little wet bar area that comes with a coffee maker and an ice bucket where you can go get your own ice. Teas and coffees are located in this first drawer. Also comes with some cool hot coffee cups, which have little Mickeys on them. That's the only way I like to drink my coffee and tea. I need to have Mickey on it. I just don't want it. Underneath the teas and coffees is a little refrigerator. I just want to show you how organized I keep my stuff when I do have it. If I don't take it out and put it in the drawers, this is what it looks like when it's just stored away. So you guys see that there is plenty of space in here. If you do have connecting rooms, this is the door that connects you to the other room. And if you don't, just keep it locked. All right, now we are entering the living room / bedroom. Boom, this bedroom comes with 2 queen beds. We have Frozone on this one and Edna Mode on the other one. Plenty of charging ports and a little side table. Look at this little light. As soon as you lift it, the light comes on. They always leave you like the cutest hidden Mickey. I don't know why they call it hidden when it's in plain sight, but they do call it a hidden Mickey. On the other side of the bed is another reading light. Look at this little lamp right here. Look at the details. That is the monorail. You can dim the lights if you want. Turn them off. We got some more USBs down here, some more regular plugs. We got the room phone. Right here is another dresser where they keep the Holy Bible. We're gonna walk onto the other side because I feel like showing you some more USB ports. You have 2 more USB ports and 2 more electrical outlets here. The bed is tall enough for you to slide your suitcases under the bed if you need extra storage room. Take a look at these blackout curtains. Look, we got Dash down here. He's dashing over to the Magic Kingdom. And then we got Jack. I don't know what he's doing. He's laser beaming something. And then we got Mrs. Incredible. Oh no, that's Violet. We got Mr. Incredible. And then we got Elastic Girl down here. We even have Frozone. So this is definitely a family affair. They're all working together to fight crime. The sheer curtains that are behind the blackout curtains has details of all the Incredibles as well. Look. Here's the balcony, okay? You open up the door. Balcony. If you are on the bottom floor, you do actually have a step out balcony with table and chairs. But we're on the 2nd and the 3rd floor. They do not. They just have this rail, which is still really nice. I'm not sure if you can see the fireworks from here, but you can definitely see the monorail and the lake. And here comes the monorail now. Over here is our seating area. I'm excited for this couch because something about this couch, the way it's shaped is just really awesome. You have this really cool little table where you can just sit here, eat. It's a very heavy, sturdy table. It's a mask pillow. All the little masks on it. It's very easy to convert the couch into a bed. One hand. Boom. All you do is peel this back, unlock it, and your bed is already made. Meow. One hand. And right above the couch is the television. Right next to the couch is another little table. On the other side of the table are some electrical outlets over here. Look at the TV. Ready? They added the perfect amount of color to this room just to give it a little pop, but it's so modern and beautiful and clean in here. It's gorgeous. Let me know if any of you stayed at the Contemporary and if you love the newly remodeled Incredible rooms, because they're incredible. I know that was so corny, but I had to throw it out there. But all right, that concludes our room tour. All right, guys, we just checked out the garden wing here at the Contemporary, and we checked into the main tower club level. The room is actually the same, except I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. There's a couple little details that are different. They have a very big soaking tub, as you can see. And then this room actually comes with a nice rug. So the other thing I noticed from the rooms that are different is that this one actually does not have carpet. It just has an area rug that's underneath the bed. We have this beautiful balcony. Let me show you this view.
Trey and I are on our way to Steakhouse 71, the lounge part of it, to get us some grub. We're gonna take you guys with us. So let's go. Steakhouse 71 is on the first floor, and we're headed over there right now. And here we are, Steakhouse 71.
Brooklyn and I had an extraordinary pool day, guys. We got to the pool at 11 o'clock this morning, and we just got out at 4:30. We are starving, so we went in the room, took a shower, and we're here at Steakhouse 71. I was going upstairs to put on some makeup, and I realized that the sun cooked me so much that I can't even put on foundation because it's a whole totally different shade. So what you see is what you get. When you guys are here at Steakhouse 71, we're actually sitting in the lounge where the bar is. You only get a limited menu selection that's from the restaurant here, but they do have some really good options, like their peanut butter and jelly wings. You're gonna see those. They have like this huge chocolate layer cake that looks so good that we're gonna have to try that tonight.
I'm getting a stack burger and putting that on my dad's tab. And then my own tab, I'm gonna get the loaded macaroni and cheese.
On the menu, they have peanut butter and jelly wings. The first time I heard of that, I was like, ew, who would put peanut butter and jelly on wings? And then I tried it. I don't know why I tried it. I was hungry. I said, you know what? I'm curious. How does peanut butter and jelly wings taste? And so I ordered it. And I'll be the first to tell you, they were amazing. The combination really sounds strange and weird, but it was really, really, really good. Because right now it lets me get soda. As you know, I have a nice tall glass of water. This is a good year for water. I would think maybe around 2004, 2005. We just ordered the peanut butter and jelly wings. What else did we get, babe? The Steakhouse burgers.
Macaroni and cheese.
The macaroni and cheese. And the onion rings. The bill just got split because Ray just ordered a drink. And since I can't have soda, Ray's going to be paying for her own drink.
I went to the room and got you soda.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
That's fine. Well, I just ordered a Curious Cold Brew, which is Maker's Mark Bourbon, Joffrey's Coffee Cold Brew, Maple Vanilla Bean Cream.
How much is that, Ray?
$14.50. I saw someone else just order it, and it looked really good, and she keeps saying it's her favorite drink, so I'm like, well, I want to try it. Maybe it's my new favorite drink.
Onion rings are put in the middle. Okay, guys, plates are hot. Be careful, okay?
So here are the peanut butter and jelly chicken wings. Trust me, y'all, it tastes delicious. And right here we have the mac and cheese. Yum, yum, yum. Yeah, it doesn't look like Kraft Ray.
It looks amazing.
And then right over here we have the onion rings. Nice and golden brown and onion ringy. And last but not least, the star of the show, that stack burger looks absolutely delectable.
Can I get another one?
Guess that's bacon in it.
She did on purpose, Dad. She shot me on you.
This is a mac and cheese. It has bacon in it, so I'm gonna have to take it for the team. Sorry, babe. Oh my gosh. That macaroni and cheese is super cheesy. It has very sharp cheddar cheese in it. Little chunks of real bacon. Onions. Oh my gosh. That is so good. Trey, try it.
Oh. Alright, so you gotta order both. I haven't even tried the other stuff yet, but you already gotta order the macaroni and the burger. That's the best macaroni I've ever had. That's probably the best burger I've ever had.
Even better than your mother's on Thanksgiving?
No.
It's up there. It's up there. They run it like right next to each other. It's good.
The onion rings are nice, hot, crispy. Look how big this onion ring is. It comes with this little dipping sauce. Man, look at this. This is a really big onion ring. Y'all see that? The dipping sauce is a little spicy. I'm glad my kids don't like onion rings.
Yeah, dude, let me get one.
You don't, how you get a whole big onion? You don't like onions.
I like them in ring form.
You can see that they put real crushed peanuts on top with a little bit of parsley. Oh. These are very hot because right now they're burning my fingers. You can tell that the sauce they're putting on here is very thick. It's a very thick sauce. Wow. Everything in this restaurant has been remarkable.
Oh yeah. I haven't had nothing nasty yet. At all. That's just like confusingly good. Like, it sounds like it's gonna be nasty. And I thought it was gonna be nasty. It's complete opposite of nasty.
Whoa. What does it taste like to you?
Peanut butter and jelly. But also tastes like another sauce. Ooh, can I get another one? You got more?
So you like it?
I prefer flats, and so this is what I have right now. But this is very, very, very sticky, right? So the thickness and the stickiness is, I'm sure, because the peanut butter is hot. But let me take a bite. I already know how this tastes. I already told you. This is delicious. Very, very filling. The chicken is cooked perfectly. Together, it just sounds really, really strange. But once you've had it, you're gonna love it. Trust me. They're not paying me to say this. This is my own thoughts, my own opinions. This is delicious.
I got the Curious Cold Brew. Look at this. It has some cocoa powder on top, a little bit of cream, sweet cream, some ice. You're getting a real strong coffee flavor, but then they threw that bourbon at you, so it's like, yay, wake up. It's actually really good. I like the sweet cream on top because it kind of gives it a little bit of sweetness.
What better way to end the day than with a big, huge piece of chocolate cake? Our chocolate cake has arrived. I think it has at least 50, 60 layers. Okay, maybe 12 layers.
Look at this layered chocolate cake.
This cake has layers, like onions. Onions have layers. You know what else has layers? Besides ogres, you know what else has layers? Parfaits.
Is it good?
Bro, that's so good. It tastes like ice cream. There's no ice cream in it, but it tastes like it has ice cream in it. Like the cake melts in your mouth.
Let me try this cake. It's a good chocolate on chocolate cake with a little hint of raspberry on the side. It's layered with chocolate mousse. So it's cake, chocolate mousse all the way. And then they take a chocolate ganache and pour it over the top and then add a little bit of raspberry on the plate. I would definitely get this again.
What's left of the chocolate cake, which is not much. It is very thick. I saw it yesterday when I came in here. Was that yesterday? It's very chocolatey. And Trey's right. The ganache melts in your mouth. The only thing that's missing is a cup of cold milk. Some milk in this right now? Take it up like 18 notches. But by itself, alone, this cake alone is delicious. After having that very, very satisfying meal, we thought that we'd take you to the third floor to show you the gym. No, it's not to work out, but to show you how it looks.
I did use it the other night, though. It's actually a really nice gym.
It is. I used it one day.
So this is a 24-hour fitness center.
There's a nice display of, I don't know what that is, towel logs and some plants. And right here you have some complimentary cool towels. There's a hot and cold water station with Dixie cups on the top. So there's more towels right here at the reception area. There's machines for seated leg curls. There's also a machine for seated leg presses. Right here, there's a leg extension machine.
I just found out that they have a sauna. I could have worked out and then came in here and sat in the sauna. The sauna is not 24 hours though. It's only from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. though.
Look at the behind the woman. Brooklyn's on the treadmill. And if you look above the treadmills, you see television to entertain you as you're doing your workout. There's a machine for your biceps right here. So you should try that. And a pull down machine. And right here, there's a shoulder press machine. A bunch of stationary bicycles. And elliptical machines over here in the corner. They also have the sit-up station. Wow, a leg raising machine. You all right, Trey? You about to kick the people across the street. What I also like about this gym is they have a curl bar and free weights. And here's the benches that you can do the free weights on. And if you have a goofy kid, this is what you look like. Last but not least is this machine. All right, so that concludes our tour of the gym. 24/7 is open, available to contemporary resort guests. So if you're in the mood to get your pump on, that's the place to do it. Thank you all for hanging out with us. We really, really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Hit the like button. You guys know what to do. And until next time, and bye. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.